Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable silent mode for XIAOMI 12T. So if you want to do it with a press of a button, you need to scroll down a notification bar. Right here click on a mute and the silent mode should be on. Another way to do it is to open if you can't find it right here, press on this pen and then you should be able to add mute from the list right here. There's also option to do this by going through the settings and right here find sound and vibration. So now select the silent mode and enable it or disable. You can also manually drag all of the sound bars to the bottom and the sounds should be disabled. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.